children.
Hello, dear children. Today we will travel to our beautiful park where we will discover the secrets of computer science, specifically variables. Variables are like boxes where we store different pieces of information. We will see how our little friends learn what it means to have variables and how to use them in everyday life. At the playground, Parrot and Frog met up. Parrot, full of energy, started to explain that variables are like different colors that can change depending on our mood. Frog, jumping with joy, added that variables can be like different toys that we can swap whenever we want. Parrot and Frog began to wonder if variables could also be like their favorite treats. Hearing their thoughts, I explained that variables are not just for fun, but also a way to store information that can change. By the pond, Rat and Sparrow were discussing how variables can help solve problems. Rat, thinking about data, said that variables can be like different ingredients in a cake recipe. Sparrow added that variables can change depending on what we want to achieve. I decided to explain to them that variables in programming work similarly, storing different values that can change, allowing us to create interesting projects. Near a big tree, Cat and Guinea Pig were waiting for my questions. I asked them what variables are and how to use them. Cat, with a sparkle in his eye, replied that variables are like boxes, where we keep different things, and Guinea Pig added that variables can change their contents, which is very useful in programming. I smiled at their answers and confirmed that they were both right. Variables are key in computer science. Finally, I would like to summarize what we learned today. Variables are like boxes where we store different pieces of information. They can change their contents, allowing us flexibility in programming. Remember, variables are very important in computer science and help us solve problems. Thank you for being with me today, and I look forward to seeing you next time.